Hi, Orange Group. This is Orange Sort 30. You will need 3 different colors for your 3 different patterns this week. So go ahead and grab your 3 colors. All of your words this week have an R in them. However, some of them have the AR sound, R. Some of them have the OR sound, or. And then, do you see this middle upside down E? That upside down E has a really funny name. It's called the schwa sound, and it makes the sound. So we're going to have but it's not always an E. Sometimes different letters make that sound. So let's start off easy. Let's go ahead and start with the AR sound. It makes the R sound, like R. I hear the R in it. Or ard. I hear the R sound in it. Or let's see, we have yarn, like string, yarn. And I also see way down here, march. I hear the R sound. So jar, hard, march, and yarn. All right, that is it for the ARR sound. Go ahead and switch colors. We're going to go all the way over here to the OR sound because the last one's going to be a little trickier. So this is the OR sound. Or, for example, thorn. I hear the OR sound. Thorn. Let's see. We have core, like the apple core. Or. I see or right underneath it. Or, let's see, I have score. Like, did you score a goal? This one down here, or, like that TV show is a bore. Or, snore. Did you hear him snore? Worn. I hear the or sound. Have you worn your new shoes yet? Horse. This is the animal, the horse. Okay, now you have some weird ones that still make the or sound, but they don't use an OR. Okay, so these are kind of weird ones, so I'm not going to circle them. I'm going to do something else, but keep the same color. So they make the OR sound, but they don't have an OR. For example, this horse, I'm going to do like scribbles here. So do same color, but now do something different. This horse is like, I have a hoarse voice. My voice is scratchy, hoarse. Let's see, here's another one is boar way down here. This boar, OAR, is like a wild pig. Makes the OR sound, but it's OAR. This one too, warn. Like, please warn me when you're coming. WAR. Makes the OR sound, but it's actually warn. And, we forgot to circle, let's see, not this one, but warm down here, AR. Ooh, that's a weird one. It makes the OR sound, but it's OR. Weird. Makes the OR sound. Okay, so you have some weird ones going on. You have lots of ORs, but then you have a few that make the OR sound, but they don't use an OR. Okay, last pattern. Now you have this upside down E that makes the sound. For example, earn. EAR makes the sound. Search. The EAR makes the sound. Pearl. EAR makes the sound. Okay, now here's where it gets weird. Earth. How much is a penny worth? Now the OR makes the sound. Oh, worst. That is the worst hamburger I've ever had. Makes the sound, but it's an OR. Here's where it gets weird. Sir makes the sound, but it's an IR. Lurk. Now it makes the sound, but it's UR. And spur. Like a cowboy wears a spur on their boots. Spur makes the sound, but it's with a U-R. So you have some weird ones going on. Orange group, make sure you take a picture of this and then make sure you go and study.